Oro Loma Sanitary District is a series of pipes and pump stations that bring wastewater here to our plant, where we treat it about 12 million gallons a day before it's released into San Francisco Bay.
As an organization, we're here to treat wastewater, and every member here has this particular role that they do. And whether it's from the environmental compliance side, whether it's the operations side, whether it's admin, maintenance, collections, we all are here to serve the public in a sense of helping the best and most cost-efficient way to treat our wastewater.
The thing that I love about working here is that we're so connected to the bay. From the treatment unit, you can see the bay. Here at Oro Loma, we all do different jobs, but every one of us, at the end of the day, our job is to help protect the San Francisco Bay.
Being such a small group with such a big job, every single person's important. This is kind of a secret industry just because it's not well publicized. People don't know about it so much. They don't think about it. They flush and forget about it.
My team and I go out and maintain 270 miles of pipe. They're out there on a daily with hydro flush cleaners and video inspections. Each crew could bring anywhere from 3,500 feet to 5,000 feet a day, which is a lot.
Wastewater treatment is not a simple process. There's a lot involved in basically taking what nature does on its own and what we as humans, since we have produced so much waste, we try to speed up this whole process, what nature does. And that's why water treatment is so fascinating in its own way, is because we are taking something that nature takes forever on, and we are able to just intensify that whole reaction to give us the product we want, which is clean water.
I think we all want to leave the world a better place than when we found it. I think our board spends a lot of time debating about what the future is going to be so that all the actions that we take today are aligned with that long-term future.